you generally lap the valves to clean up this edge. Let me show you. So the valve goes in here, and it pops up and down to let gases in and out. Pretty nice fit on the valve guide on the end, so those I'm not going to be replacing. But there's an edge right around here that seats with this edge here, and it gets full of carbon and junk, and eventually it stops sealing well when it closes. So you get some a valve lapping paste and a funny stick, and you put the valve lapping paste on here, which it's kind of like toothpaste. It's an abrasive paste. Then you push it in there, squiggle it back and forth. That paste grinds the edges and cleans them up and makes them fit together really nicely. Then when your valve seals, it seals really well. No gases try to escape around it, and you're good to go. Your compression's higher, things work better. So what we're going to do is exactly that. But I think I'm going to clean up the carbon off of these first. To do that, we're going to go to the drill press. So we just chuck this up in the drill press, get started, and hit it with some WD-40, and then use some Scotch-Brite. This has some big chunks of carbon on it. Much cleaner than before. It was actually harder to get that stuff off than I thought. You can see I went through several different methods there. I used a razor blade to chip away the big stuff. Then I went to a wire wheel to get down in there. In the end, nice and clean. And do that for the other 7. Now to lap the valves, now that they're clean, or cleaner, we have our lapping compound. This is a funny can. I've never seen one like this. It has coarse on one side, Vorschliff paste, and fine on the other, Nachschliff paste. My German's awful. Anyway, we're just going to do the fine because I haven't seen any pitting or anything really bad in these. We just need to, polish them up so they fit tight. So nice, huh? We're going to take this, put it around just the edge. You don't want to get it on the rod itself, the stem, just around the edge here. And this can is probably a lifetime supply, maybe several lifetimes. So I'll pass it down to my children and their children. There, we don't want to go crazy. Then that slides in. Got to work as clean as you can. Next, you take your expensive stick and you spit on it. Yeah, I did that off camera. That helps it seal to the valve. There. Then it's like making fire. You just do that until it's all nice and shiny. I think I'm gonna get a block of wood and turn the couple blocks of wood and turn this over so it's facing down. Now some people will tell you can do this with a drill, but I've heard that drills are really bad for this. They spin too fast, they go in one direction, even though if you turn it the other way, it can score the seat, and then you're in big trouble. So do it by hand, do it slow. Spin it, lift it up, turn it. Hope you can see this. This is what we're looking for. It's nice, kind of a dull gray finish. Nice and smooth around, no pits, no big deep scratches.